हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नभुल्नुहोला अनि दायाँतिरको घण्टी चिन्हलाई पनि थिच्नुहोस् ताकि सबैभन्दा पहिला तपाईले हाम्रो भिडियो अपलोड भएको जानकारी पाउनुहुनेछ। धन्यवाद।
www.pokharavoice.com Pokhara Voice presents.
Welcome back, friends. I like to talk you about the ideas of giving order or command. म तपाईहरुलाई अर्डर अथवा कमान्ड कसरी दिने भन्ने कुरा गर्न चाहन्छु। जस्तो आएर तिम्रो काम गर, do your work. तिम्रो काम गर, do your work. कार रोक, stop the car. Stop the car. बत्ती बाल, switch on the light. यो कुरालाई भविष्यमा पुनः नदोहोऱ्याऊ. Don't repeat it in future. मूर्ख नबन. Don't be silly. फूलहरू नटिप. Don't pluck the flower. Don't pluck the flower. फूल नटिप. ढोका बन्द गर. Lock the door. मैले भनेको सुन. Listen to me. मुख सम्हालेर बोल. Mind your tongue. दिमागमा यो कुरा राख. Keep it in mind. Keep it in mind. किताब मिलाएर राख. Arrange the book in order. Arrange the books in order. तिनीहरूलाई यहाँ ल्याऊ. Bring them here. Shirt लगाऊ. Put on your shirt. उसलाई उठाऊ. Wake him up. Bill तिर. Pay the bill. छिटो तयार हौ. Get ready quickly. Get ready quickly. उसलाई बाहिर पठाऊ. Send him out. टिभी बन्द गर. Switch off the television. ठेगाना टिप. Note the address. त्यहाँ नजाऊ. Don't go there. उसँग झगडा नगर. Don't quarrel with him. मलाई रिस नउठाऊ. Don't make me angry. मसँग कुरै नगर. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. धेरै नखाऊ. Don't eat too much. सबै पैसा खर्च नगर. Don't spend all the money. ढोका खुला नछोड. Don't keep the door open. नबुझिकन नबोल. Don't beat about the bush. In such a way, I have talked to you about the ideas of giving order or command. Wait for me. I will talk with you about another idea. Thank you.